y'all? It's your girl. I'm back in the cut, and today I'm back with another video. Today I just got this thing out my mail. Yes, I just got my thing out of FedEx. Can't show you that, but anyways, yeah. I can't wait to open this. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait. But let's get started. So, I ordered this on eBay. eBay. I forgot what I ordered. I ordered this like a week ago. It came in because the girl who I ordered it from live in Asia. I'm in Japan. So, whoa, okay. So yeah. Anyways, let's show you what we got in the box. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing good stuff in here. Okay, oh my gosh, guys. Okay. So first thing we got in the box is our little note card. It's a cute card set. You have the piece of my heart. And thank you for purchasing my slimes. Slime Arctic Asia, Slime Arctic Japan dot peace emoji. Anyways, your slime, you have borax, sparkly glitter borax, pink ocean blue slime, pink glitter, pink cotton candy glitter, cotton candy blue, and we also have just we have a thank you slime, a free thank you slime. So yeah, I really want to thank her for this. But anyways, oh, and follow my YouTube at arcticslime.japan. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna put this back in the thing. So we're gonna put this back in this, and I love how she just made these. I don't know if she made these or not, but these is really cute. Oh snap. Okay, it's really cute. See that? Yeah. Anyways, that's our card. We're gonna keep that right here beside me because we need that. Okay, next thing we got for fan. Oh, I guess this is fan, but this does not look a slime, but this is like a little. Oh, she probably put that in here. Let me see this, cause fan things at the top. Graphic purple black glitter thing. Old school Diary of a Wimpy Kid book. Perfume, nail polish. Okay, wow. Alright. Wow. Okay, anyways, so I think this is the graphic thing, purple black glitter thingy. It's really cool. Oh my gosh. This is really cool. So keep that right there. Okay, next we got our old school Diary of a Wimpy Kid, but it looks kind of beat up a little bit, and but it's still good. I'm gonna read it, but it looks kind of beat up. But you know, just appreciate it. Thanks, I appreciate it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the Love and Sunshine. It smells so good. Let's spray it. Oh, it smells so good. But she used half of the bottle. I have a problem with that. I will be calling her about that. I have a problem with her using half of the bottle and give it to me. What? You don't give nobody half of a bottle of perfume. Wrong with you? Alright, we got our nail polish in here for a fan. We got this purple one. I will paint my nails with this. Okay. And I'm going to do a video of me painting my nails with that. Next, we got, this is we got a fan slime. We got a fan slime. This is the fan slime. Okay, I guess she didn't have a container, so she put it in this bag. And it has hair in it. Okay, but I hope this is a good slime. This is slime number 1 from Fan. The other slimes are wrapped up. Okay, this is I guess it's okay. See, no, I'm calling her. Definitely calling her. First slime. This is a fail. This is a fan slime, so I'm not too pretty, you know, like mad at that. But I hope my other slimes are real good because I'm not playing with this. I'm really not. And this really actually came in a box. It came in the box, FedEx. And I hope, no, ain't nobody got time for that. Alright, so let's take our card back out again. So our first slime, we have Jiggly Ocean Blue Slime. Okay, so we have our Jiggly Ocean Blue Slime. Let's get that one. Why is it cracked? This is cracked too. Bro, look at this. And there's slime on the outside. In the world. And it's cracked. Oh my gosh. Okay. Anyways, I guess it might have cracked. I don't know what they do in Japan, but this can't be a no-no. But anyways, let's do a okay, so we got our slimes right here. It's really jiggly. Okay, it's jiggly. We're gonna try to like pick it up kinda. I'm gonna get my handy dandy napkin. This is not slime. This is shampoo and salt. It smells like that blueberry, like that Suave blueberry man. It's because my dad has it. Bruh. And look at that, it's correct too. Okay, so first slime, it was good at poking, but definitely no-no. Okay, let's plug my camera back in. Okay, there we go. Definitely no-no. And next slime we have, let me look at my thing. We have our pink, we have our glitter borax. So, okay, this is, I guess, these chunks of borax with glitter in it. But we can use this borax for slime. Oh, and it got pink in it, and I don't have to color it. But I thank you for this. I'll show you guys that. That's how it looks, but I guess thank you for it. Okay, this was that fan slime, and I'm really disappointed about this. Next, we got our pink cotton candy slime. Okay. I know y'all see that. I know y'all. What is? We're just gonna open it. Don't judge a book by its cover. Gonna open this crap. What is this? Oh, heck no. Oh, heck to the no. Heck to the no, no, no. Yep. Send it. This gonna get sent right back to Japan. Right back to Japan. Alright, let's see our other slimes. Look, cause I was sending this box back. I'ma send it. I'ma keep this. Keep my borax. Keep this fan slime. Keep my card. And you know, whatever else is in the back. Keep this perfume and all that. But the rest of that stuff, this is definitely going back. Definitely going back. Already going back. Next we got our blue cotton candy slime, glitter slime. Blue cotton candy glitter slime. Let's see. Okay. Look at this. This don't even look like it would be like a cotton candy's kind. But what is this though? I just want to know what this is. This like it would be like a grayish. But anyways, we ain't gonna judge a book by its cover. We're gonna check it out. Well, we're not gonna open this slime yet because I feel like this is gonna be the best slime so far. This, and this was the best out of this. Trash. That's just trash. Anyways, this is these three best slimes right now. But okay, we're gonna see what we got. Next we got, oh snap, wrong way. Next we got a pink cake pink cake platter pat. A pink cake pat like a little surface. Okay, I guess we can use that to make a slime. Okay. And it's dirty. Maybe she wants to be playing on this, but I'm just gonna play with this on the surface. We're gonna check it out. Okay, we're gonna check all of our slimes out on this. First slime up, we got this. So let's put the camera. Let's put the camera right here. First thing up, we got this slime. I'm definitely calling her back. Okay. Okay, I guess it's kind of good. This is the fan slime is, I guess, kind of good. I guess. Okay. Next slime is we got our next slime, which is our Arctic blue slime. Ocean blue slime. So it is. We're going to take a little bit out because this is going. I can fix this with a little bit of borax, but I think I could put this in the freezer and make it work. Okay, that is. It's not done yet. The reason why she did that, I don't know why, but let's clean this off. Next, we got the one we've been waiting on is the cotton candy blue. Cotton candy blue. Oh, let's clean the rest of this off. Okay. Okay, I guess it's kind of sticky. This is the best one so far. Maybe she was just trying to scam me and just put bad slimes in here. I don't know. But this is the best slime out of all of them. It's just sticky. You just have to add some more borax in here. But this one was supposed to be a large, and I guess it's not a large. It's like a medium. It's like a medium. Okay, this is really sticky. We're gonna go ahead and get our activator bottle out, and we're gonna go ahead and use that. Our activator. Okay, it's not that sticky once you can handle it. I got control of it now, since I can handle it. I got control of it now, but let's test the pokiness out. I hope when I poke it don't come up like this. Okay, this is the best one that she sent. So I'm probably just gonna keep this one. Oh, and I'm gonna scent this. This one is not scented. It smells just disgusting. So I'm just gonna scent it with the perfume. This perfume, the only smell good thingy in here was the perfume. And that was it. And the ocean blue slime smelled really good. It smelled like blue, like Suave. Because we have Suave. But yeah, this is the best slime out of all of them. I really like this one, so I'll thank her for this slime. But I'm gonna call her. If you wanna see me call her, I'm probably gonna call her today in this video. If I get this video to if I get one more subscriber today, if I get us 2 more subscribers today, then guess what I'm gonna do? I'm going to subscribe to your channel and give you all likes on your videos, give you a shout out, tell me your Musical.ly downstairs, tell your Musical.lys, and I'll react to them on YouTube, and I'll give you a shout out, and I'll tell people to go follow you on Musical.ly so you can get lit, famous, whatever you want on Musical.ly. But anyways, yeah, this is the best slime out of all of them. My first favorite is this one. I think my second favorite will be this one, I guess. Third, this one. Fourth one, this one. That's not even in the running up. It's not even in the running up. You didn't even place. So that's only the 4th, 2nd, and 3rd place. So she didn't even place in none of them. Oh, it smells so good. Okay, but anyways, yeah. That's our slime for today. It's really little. Guess what? I ordered a large, and this is how it is. I ordered a large, and this is how it is. But we're gonna go ahead and put it back in the bag, and yeah. And I'm gonna call her. So I'm actually going to send the slimes back. Actually, I'm gonna go to FedEx and send the slimes back. And our FedEx sent all of our stuff back. I really love this, so I'm gonna keep it. Look, spray it in my room a little bit. It smells so good. Alright, this one going. This one is probably not gonna go back. This one, I'm gonna keep it in this because I'm gonna keep this. You know, this she and then plus she wrote with pencil. So only thing I can do is just like erase it, put it in my loop, and erase it and stuff. But so far this is our slimes. Alright, hope everyone. Oops, camera fail. Okay, I hope everyone liked this video. School is coming back up August 23rd, 8th, 3rd. I don't know which date it is, but school is coming back up, and I really hope that you like and subscribe to this video, like my videos, and comment your Musical.ly page at the bottom. I'm gonna go like your Musical.lys and stuff. But yeah, oh snap. Anyway, just go like it and subscribe it. But I'll be doing my nails probably today. Yeah, but this is my little slime plate thing, y'all. But anyways, hope you like this video. Let me spray this because this box, that box stank so bad. I don't know. They was cooking. Because normally, it's just smelling good. But they were cooking this time. So, yeah. But bye, y'all. I love y'all so much.